I'm back again with more exciting examples on how to solve questions related to substitution in algebraic expression. Alright, we have some couple of questions here on the board, and it says find the value of the following expressions if x equals 39. Now let's substitute x for 39 in the questions below. Solution. Number 1, we have 67 minus x over 3 minus 17, where x is given to be what? 39. So we have 67 minus 39 over 3 minus 17. So here we can easily say 67 minus what? 3 here, 1, 3 here, 13. Minus 13 minus 17. 67 minus 13 is 54. And 54 minus 17 is 37. Now moving on to question 2. We have 47 minus 2x plus 59 plus 4x. So we are going to replace x in this question with 39. So that gives us 47 minus 2 into bracket 39 plus 59 plus 4 into bracket 39. Have 47 minus 39 times 2, that's 78, plus 59 plus 156, right? 156, that's 4 times 90, 39 will give us 156. So we're going to add them together. So we have 47 minus 78 plus 59 will give us, that will be minus 19 plus 156. So we have 156 plus 47 minus 19. This plus this is what? 156 plus 47 will give us 203 minus 19. That gives us 184. Right? Yes, 184, and that's the final answer. Question 3, we have 42 minus 2x plus 138 minus 3x plus 58. As we did in the previous questions, we are going to replace x with 39. That gives us 42 minus 2 into bracket 39 plus 138 minus 3 into bracket 39 plus 58. So this is 42 minus 78 plus 138 minus 117 plus 58. So we're going to bring the numbers with the positive numbers together and negative numbers together. So we have 138 plus 42 plus 58 minus 78 minus 117. You can see how we've regrouped them now. So we'll add this together, right? All right. So 138 plus 42 is 180, and 180 plus 50. Okay, let me write it down. 180 plus 58 minus 78 minus 117. 180 plus 58, this gives us 238 minus 78 minus 117. 238 minus 78 give us 160 minus 117. And 160 minus 117 is 43. And that's the final answer. Alright, let's move on to question 4. Question 4 says 84 plus 5x minus 92 minus 57. We're going to replace x here with 39, and then we'll have 84 plus 5 into bracket 39 minus 92 minus 57. So what's 39 times 5? So that's 84 plus 195 minus 92 minus 57. Okay? 84 plus 195 will give us 279 minus 92 minus 57. 279 minus 92 will give us 17 minus 9 plus 8. That's 187 minus 57. And this gives us 130. And that's the final answer. If you've watched to this point, please do well to like the video, leave a comment at the comment section, share the video, and lastly, do not forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.